What the heck is this thing, dude?
This is the version 2 of the DIY. Obviously, it's a little small for somebody like me, but I built it for other people that were really tight on space. I'll unzip it in the basement and show you what it's like inside. Oops. But this is for other people that wanted a compact model that you could put in a small apartment. Obviously, it's torn to pieces right now, but I'll fire it up again and get around to publishing the tutorial. If you're interested in something like this or the taller version for bigger people, find it on saunacourses.com or it's in the Facebook group also. So Certified Sauna Community on Facebook. Obviously there's a bunch of tutorials on YouTube, but the actual course that shows you how to build it, version 2 and version 3, version 4, is on saunacourses.com. Basically, this is a toned down version using a shower bench you can get on Amazon because a lot of people can't get a wooden stool. I've got a towel draped over it like I use it just for demonstration purposes. And then basically what we did is we consolidated some of the lighting, so we put it on 2 sides instead of 3 or 4. And so it allows you to have instant heat because the cubic footage of the tent is extremely small. It's still a Mylar film, still reflective. It's not 0 VOC, but the EMFs aren't all super bad. Neither are the VOCs in this particular tent model. But as you can tell, it's pretty small. So for people that are looking for something that is really compact, still trying to get a sweat experience and only spend a couple $100s, this is a great application for that.